We are pleased to show you the 2013 Avenger. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer, one-touch windows, one.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.